ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadu san pusangut ki khalung ki bakat Shyntur nduk kopor bedang kha menta ki liyo biang ya gajing mahabrio jong kadur khamat lima Jingsumar berpenlong ke District Early Intervention Center Ganesh Das Maternal and Child Health Hospital de gajing trelang baka Mission Smile na Guwahati. Ya kini Jingsumar berpenlong ha Ganesh Das Maternal and Child Health Hospital naduk kalai potrip kalaling kot arjar pusau bat kala pinkot ha kalai trip rempang arjar pusau ling baka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram kidan san pusangut ki khalung ki beliau Jingsumar. Kini kisan pusangut ki khalung beliau Jingsumar ki long khat arngut na East Khasi Hills, khat sangut na West Khasi Hills, shiphongut na South West Khasi Hills, prangut na Ribhoy, bat shiphongut na East but West Shyntur Hills. Kidan pat saat phongut ki bagi doktor Kim Shimlala ban Jingsumar na kada bagi khalung Kim done ka met ka bakot ka bakhya. Hakajingalang blapin kut no ye kini Jingsumar la sakhilang ka medical superintendent ka Ganesh Das Hospital ka Dr. A Lingdo, ka pediatrician ka Dr. S Longtrai, pediatric surgeon Dr. P Khongsngi, ka medical officer DIC ka Dr. J Rani, managing director ka Mission Smile Guwahati Dr. Hitesh, assistant general manager ka Mission Smile Dipul Malakar, manager ke DEIC ke East Khasi Hills subak wan rap lang kharpran, ke manager ke DEIC East Shyntur Hills ke Kong Dapi Hi Pasa, baru state RBSK consultant ke NHM Meghalaya ubak Johnson Nongbet.
Sedang Sitam tang ta pala ban buin tang bol badang kha dem ta pan dan dem ta kan jingtum ni
Jual asmat tang di bawah lantai, semua ni dang duna kendian pada beba. Jadi jual sumar asin ki ong dan kam jual sumar nampak nama ba di undru benai mah hab sengat jual di kelas sumar nampak sebab Guwahati. Dan dua nanti dah syang haying ada sisna mata pasyak am ki ong dang dan kam dengan sumar kendian. Mata kila snabi kene tengah ikila betul tapi.
Kan usnam konpi.
Ada lain
Usnam.
Jual benda sisna mila sumar sisin. Te shwaba hapor bi donji arsnam sumar arsin lepa te tapat ila dap laisnam ni sumar kita bena kendiat te mentah ki doktor ki ong la biang te ngacu pe cengarup ta la biang ni kong sultan nat bahaya i sister jadi mungkin po juai ni kong ni wan simdawai ni po si umulang te doktor ki batai ke ni badan kala cingarap sumar ngakai ni klung te po mission juai ki ong hi ne du dep kha jing shan stang dang dep kha so si kai ngai aklung ku ne nama de kon khado tama te ki doktor ong tu so si don kalat baniran don kalat ban sumar pan te din tu lepas yeng ale sim doa doktor kila batai mentai la batai doktor ni la kendu sisa jenis te juai te kila yarap kenyi ban ha sumar pa ini cepat berlan kila sumar mentang ya sumar aing sultanan kong ngungu ublai ma le ki dan kila tingira ban sumar makana ku ke sultanan ketarung ni bedung syuai nak keren ra yang iban khon mai ro am nong ni kipnar ong bay tu ma la ong bay mai nong keren thlun te mentai la ong bay la kenu bi keren la bai la syai bitter
Okay.
Obat nang kong dah kha ka po ma ban kha ma sina semar yoga kami di sini oksi ada ni te doktor ni no si bukan kong ina lai ta hadi si hadi ni on sibin te yo pio jingira ni te lai register ka hite telang bani te di bor bagai ya kong jeni nga hite dang por te tiba po hadu ni pinta mar hadu ni sini ba pat sumar kan dengan sivil orang tu man ni aku mana lek jo i por wata jo kam kabuam ni man yo kam open sumar makna ikon ni ma ante se
Te kam no yo pi mandadap sumar kan.
te yo jing cham yo ngayo te miat ni tadi ni kon se te yo bol la kar yo te to miat ni
Jing bang ni program ke beri jogi ham tak ke buan ke logi long sam ke beduna ki yo ban yo ke Jingsumar ke ba khamda ke jisi dengan pensa yo ke jing batai shu no na kalian joki ni mission smile ke munda no kaman sio no ta surgery no ta ni jing po ni kalian jok program do ki yo ta Jingsumar ke yo ai ke pai kali ke nya lang bet kini ke program dah ke ni ke sin Nili alang ikilong ikilna ke bapang tana bo East Khasi Hills District ini ni kwi district ko Southwest ko West Khasi Hills Eastern dia ko Western dia kari bhai padha kani ke jing grei lomba ke jing thumu he jogani program ko lomba kini ikilong ikilna ko ke apre ke jing anna ni jing dona kam tam re de ke jing shitom ka jong ki mo program ha lekin yo ka jing ko babit ka babiang ki on ka tin thane mo ka tin long to achieve the full potential jing long khanna ka ma ki yo ko jing mo babiang but kami ka lat ka tin na te ki ki pa na te ki pa ha don ki ko ne ki don ka jing ko sai ni ka don ko ne program ka kon ra ek ta jing shai ka jing ka jong ki ta ka ki yo ek ne jing yaram te kan ni ka ba sin ka ba ar bi la le ek ne ka program ka ba ai ne Jingsumar ka ba po ek ne ki na ka ne jing shitom ha kan ni ka hospital jumi ha kan stas Bagi so kena kalian ke hospital bu, ye leka bala, bagi ai kita ke support yang teracun kerja, ye kini program hawa idon, I doctor counselor, dengan pediatric surgeon, dia ting dalam complicated cases, kapag just talk na last year, elation mentalang, nungi trailer, pag commission smile, but kini, no kini no tray jang sarkar, pagkabahar ka Iwak mo na kayang hospital, bingin ay kitsagat hiya ay kinihilong ikina. Shuak si shuak pon, panladep po ito, ila identify pa wot, kamingin po ikina. Nagkabahar pa rin ay sige staff, manira, wala kini ko nilang, iki doktor, iki nurse, iki anesthetist, na kanyang jumiro, iya ay lang tagajing kersan, lingbar kami ay kini staff. Natagabanay kajimbang ikini, kabagiwan ang liro, lomba, nilang kamang kajisir. Di hakan ni ka sin ka ba arma tulong hadan nas kidan ko mahninyo ko sa mga pa skill ya kini kilong kala ko pa ni kini district of health but when nikinyo ko sa mga lala ang le pa tak sambo sa mga lalaan po iki di kita ka ko mo kila le ka ito tumo na ma kidon kita ga jang pang jing shitom ki ba mai na hadan ka sin le ka hindre kandong ga jing ke nagalang district kini si managers behind encouraging na po campaigns ke bagum zodo nagalian conditions mai bangin lang yan ay kataga nagika jingbut din haka bakin sayo ang penulong yan ka jingmu ay ka jingsumar
kani ka center ka bani kita kaya jingan kam tu di bana do dak ka krasnem so hamni ni kita kita ki jimpang ki bangi ong ki 4 days mo kita ki diseases bangi ong nanta ki deficiencies ki defects at birth kita kemut badan ka jingduna ka por na do lang khai ki but kita ki developmental delay but kita ki disability tiga ni ka level antalir away na ki kita ki jingduna ha ka me ka pha tu i khilong na do lang kha ka long ko way na ki balong common ba na ki defects at birth ni kita ki jingduna ha ka department kabagi yo ibun di akan di center kabagi lalu di kat congestive kalong ke congenital heart disease kamu badan jingstong krong senam lalu badang khang di yo kan ni jingstong jong krong senam lu ilai na tayang uyu bat di center sama kan crunch pangatan moni le mainly nam ta kan ni kilap lepan paden so ke bawan baar ya na kini ki kita jingstong mang yang baduna ka dokhan bat kini kilap lepan paden sekiway pada kini jing kedor kejat tu panggil kata ni tai apa ki kani ka ni pai ki nopang si possible hospital so kini ki klap lepan palet ki ba ni yo ki nopang ki babon ki long na ni na center jong hi namar ba na do dang kha ni le ki jaka ba kha ki tu ki nurse ki doctors ki ba pe ki kilong na do ba ki dang kha ki identify ye kini means ki lab ye kini ki cases so mas lab ki lawan dalam mangi center nang ta ni register ye ki dah kalau ada kata kapor pakai net for surgery misalum nangta misa ai ka jintep Shyntur center kini buana Guwahati kini Jingsumar beliong ki soman pelong ke camp kemudian ong pelong kami kali kesin ban real bat angni organisasi kali kesin ke baan so baleng ni kini ki defects at buat kalong kuwi long i ke badan dengan ke badan juga jimpang bat ka ka katai kalau wi juga kalong kawai long ka klep la da pipet nei kin complete tangwa fini tangka dor shabang re ki don ka problem ka feeding problem ka da ki diru teng ki lelat no ki chuk no nomor pale maka don ka tu jing fight han Shyntur and kau ini nak kata ikan jingkran jong ki doan dia kalau matron menkran so la dangin ne aku por yang kaja iu ki kalau hadin ba keyboard ki school drop out ro sekapor ka ban ne ki lu kalau tada don ka por ya kali usually ni le aku ka drill banai but ikam tadi ki ne hadin chisna situ so kita ki balong ka burden ya ki no kawai ka bang kwa ban pentip ban pensyai ki pa ka ba ki dei ban wan sakman la dadan kawai kalong bala dadan tak jong kan la yo I rei dadan ka jong palit ka tingam nam yo I rei kan ktab dei ki din
so it's a good number of surgeries we have performed ever since we started our program and we'd like to I would like to appreciate all this team of Meghalaya Health Department, inclusive of the field team of respective DICs and NHM people who have been helping us to finding out the cleft cases. And there are lots of new cleft cases who being identified every year, and we are committed to provide their surgery at free of cost. This surgery is absolutely free of cost. Patient need not have to pay a single rupees or any money for these surgeries. And there is two options, patient can come to this kind of camps. We have been organizing at least one camp in a year, and we are planning to have more camps in the coming years, maybe 2 camps or 3 camps in a year. And the patient can also go to our Guwahati center. We have a permanent cleft care center there in Guwahati, where we are regularly doing all these surgeries. And already many patients went to Guwahati to get these surgeries. They are most welcome to go to Guwahati for their surgeries. But I always emphasize to come to patient to this kind of camp so that this is in their doorsteps, so need not have to travel to any other state or Guwahati. So we are trying our best to come here to provide their surgeries, and probably our goal is to provide cleft surgery each and every student who born with these deformities. And my appeal through all the media houses is if there is any cleft patients who been non-operated or not get information for some reasons, they are actually most welcome to come to get the surgery at free of cost.
The cleft lip palate is already told that it is a multiple problem associated with the child. In the face, there is a cleft in the lip and palate, and sometimes patient has a very minor form, or sometimes it's a very major form. So this patient incidence is 1 in 750 live birth. If you see in a hospital a live birth, there is always one cleft patient is there. But somehow these patients are not coming to society because deformity is in the facial side, so it is not acceptable in the society. And finally, patients will stay away from the society, and we are losing a major productive human resources from that point of view. And one thing I want to mention that most of the health policies are regarding, they are diverted to the life-saving diseases, fatal diseases like congenital heart diseases, like pediatric emergencies, like pediatric cancers and all these tumors. So in the cleft lip patient never dies. So that's why they are low priority at first. So that's why silently this number of cleft cases build up in the society, and finally we are in a situation here that there is a 3,000, 4,000 number of cleft cases find it out. Usually these are not today's product, this is a pending up because of we do not have the expertise enough to do these type of cases. However, most of the surgeons are busy with the other diseases, so they do not get the time to treat the cleft also. So cleft need a comprehensive approach, like the pediatric care, surgical care, then after that speech therapy, then after that we need dental care. So lots of care is need in the same roof. So we are fortunate to have in the Guwahati hospital to doing all these things, and hopefully we will do again another few cases of every year. We will come and we will do a permanent solution for it by building up some training and resources developing in this area, so that local resources can be utilized for treating the cleft children for the permanent solution. So we are looking for that, but it is not going to do in a one day, but it will come up very gradually. So when a child born with a cleft, there is a very much psychological problem in the family. So they have all the shuttered. Everybody is expecting a very good looking child in their family. So once a cleft children born, their mentality is always down. then furthermore, most of the child abandon. So this is another come to the social problem. Then there is already pediatrics man told that there is a difficulty in feeding and all this, and it goes into a malnutrition. So malnutrition is a big problem in India, and especially in the cleft, because of malnutrition, lots of cleft patients dies in the first year of life. So that's why we need to treat the cleft patients at the due course of time. And furthermore, if the cleft patients survive, there is a difficulty in communications because they cannot speak properly. And without the speaking to the society, without revealing themselves in the society, someone life is not a like life. They are living like in a situation that where they are not cannot share their things, their feelings, like that. They are not like the human beings at that point of time. So if we can treat the patient early and they can be rebuilt in the society, it's very good. So usually we need 3 or 4 surgeries, not in a single surgery we cannot treat. So initially at the 6 month of age we do the lip repair, and after that at the 1 year of age we do the palate repair. This is the basic 2 surgeries. After that there are some additional surgeries required where the split gum part we need to treat it. We need to put the bone over there and we need to continuity make it continuity. So after that also there is a very big deformity in the nose. So we have to correct that nose nasal deformity. So besides surgery, after that we have to follow up the children up to the 15 years or 16 years so that child can speak very nicely. In between sometimes problem may arise. So we have a good teamwork is required, constantly monitoring the child till child go to the adult level. So and also as said that school dropout is very much in the cleft children because of lack of communication, lack of friendly to the child because of this deformity. So my request everyone that please if you convey the message that this cleft lip and palate can be treated with surgeries. Now it is no more myth, and it is not like the curse of some god that someone has to live with the cleft lip palate. No. So it's a deformity. It's developed because of some environmental factor. There are some nutritional deficiencies like folic acid, or there is some maternal diseases during the childbirth, or there is some taking medication which is unprescribed over the counter taking medication accidentally because of their other reasons also, because of genetic or familial reasons also there cleft might occurs. But however, if cleft problem is developed, we immediately have to come to the hospital. We can take the treatment like that.